So now let's do an exercise from the 5 animal frolics practice called deer walking. And we've done this before in our previous classes. So in this exercise, we use hand gestures. So we have our deer antlers. So that's our pinky finger, index finger, and our thumbs pointed, and the other two are bent. And then we make our hooves, which are fingertips come together like so. So antlers and hooves. So what we're going to do is we're going to step the right leg forward, left leg is back, and you orient yourself towards this right side. I shift my weight back towards my back leg, and then I reach my arms forward and I make my deer antlers, and I round my upper back, I soften my chest. Then I shift my weight forward towards my front leg, I make my deer hooves, and I soften my elbows and I open my chest. I take a deep breath and then exhale as I reach the arms forward, soften the chest, bow the head. Inhale, exhale. So this is a great way to open up the back, open up the spine, and just create more heat in the body to facilitate flow of energy. This exercise also benefits your kidneys. So really breathe into your back space. Let's do 2 more on this side. 1 more. Good. Float your arms down. Stand with your legs strong. Now step your opposite leg forward. So left leg goes forward, right leg stays back. Arms reaching forward, and let's find our deer antlers. Shift my weight back towards my back leg. Soften my chest and back. Bend the elbows, deer hooves and hands. Inhale. Exhale. Open the heart. Inhale. Soften the chest. Exhale. Shifting the weight forward and back, and filling the body with fresh energy with each breath. Let's do 2 more. 1 more. Good. Float your arms down, step back, and stand tall. I love doing that exercise and focusing my energy on my kidneys, but also focusing my energy on the breath and the lungs. It's said that the lungs take the qi in through the air that we breathe, but that it's the kidneys that grasp the qi and pull it down and really nourish the body with this life-giving energy. Okay, so now we're going to do an exercise called Move Like a River. So that invites us to move the spine with a quality of water, with effortless ease and power. So go ahead and open your legs wider than your shoulders, and just place your hands on your thighs, and you're just going to shift your weight side to side. And as you do so, just allow the spine to shift side to side. So I'm shifting my weight to one side, and I'm slowly moving through the spine, and my head is the last thing to move. So this is the upright position. And once you have this, go ahead and tilt your body slightly forward and continue to shift side to side. Again, moving with the lower body, and then the head is last. Inhale as you move to one side. Exhale as you move to the other side. Strengthening the legs and also opening up the spine, creating space between your ribs, and releasing, working through any tension you might have in your back, whether it's in your low back. Open up that low back, or your mid back, upper back, or even in your neck and shoulders. Now, allow the movement to slowly unwind. So you're going to come to a point in the middle, in the center, and then you're going to bend forward and just stretch forward. Bring your hands down towards the floor. Allow your head to be heavy. Your legs could be long or they can be slightly bent. Just make sure that you feel that wonderful stretch along the back of your legs and the back of your body. Grab hold of one wrist with one hand. Soften your knees and slowly roll up to your spine. Slowly lift your arms up the front of your body. Take a deep breath in. Lift the arms up. Exhale, open your arms out and down. Place your hands on your thighs and let's move like a river again and see if we can go deeper into the movement. So we shift from side to side. And you can play with different aspects of the exercise. If you want to build more power in your legs, bend your knees a little bit more. If you really want to feel that nice stretch through the spine, take your time and really allow the head to move last and stretch from the head all the way down to the hips. Beautiful. Now slowly unwind. Slowly unwind. Bend forward again. Stretching forward. Releasing the head, neck, and shoulders.